For better or for worse, it's that season again, and if you're anything like me, surprising the people that you love with the perfect gift is priceless. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and whether you're gift shopping for Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or even a birthday, I've got you covered with 9 useful gift ideas for foodies that they probably don't already have. Oh, and be sure to stick around to the end for some great discount codes. I've broken down my ideas into 3 price brackets, so let's start with the budget options. First, we have some lacquered wooden chopsticks that come in 6 different sizes, so you can find the perfect fit no matter what sized hands you have. They're dishwasher safe and have a non-slip finish on the tips, so they grip onto whatever you're trying to pick up. Next is my favorite bottled chili oil. It's one of those condiments that can make boiled cardboard taste delicious, and it's made by a small family-owned business on Ishigaki Island in Okinawa. Aside from providing a medium level of heat, it's also loaded with local seasonings and spices, which makes it fragrant and lends it tons of umami. It'll make just about anything pop, but it's especially good drizzled on ramen or dumplings like the sui gyoza. The last gift on the budget tier is this adorable stacking bento box from Bento & Co. that's shaped like a kokeshi doll, and it has a hidden feature. You've got 2 levels, and the top level has a sealed lid so you can add foods with the sauce without having to worry about it leaking all over the place. And here's the hidden feature. Yup, the hairpiece is actually a bowl so you can pack an instant miso soup with your lunch. At around 19 bucks, I don't think you'll find many things that are cuter or more functional. And they also have a bunch of other designs like a lucky cat and ninja so you can find the perfect design for the person you're giving this to. Not bad for under $20, right? But what if you want to step up your game a bit? Well, this is where things start to get interesting. Coming in at around $34, this fish-shaped taiyaki pan has a locking handle and double-sided non-stick design that makes it super simple to make these Japanese treats. It's one of those things that most people wouldn't think to buy for themselves, but taiyaki are a delicious traditional treat, and they can be filled with just about anything. Next, for about $46, this Neko Hasami plate set is the perfect gift for cat lovers. The set includes 4 different cats, as well as a slightly larger fish plate, and the little ear tab on the cat plates makes them super easy to pick up. We use these as serving plates for family-style meals, but they're also great for holding salads or a plate of condiments. Our last item in the middle tier is a holiday gift box of some of my favorite Japanese food items that I've curated with Kokoro Care packages. It includes the chili oil from earlier, a packet of mochiko that you can use to make Japanese sweets like my strawberry mochi, real katsuobushi which you can use to make an authentic dashi, or use as a topping for okonomiyaki. The high quality kombu in this box is also essential for making good dashi, but you can also use this for other things like my umami salt. These toasted golden sesame seeds, which are insanely fragrant, are perfect for making gomae or my creamy sesame dressing. And last but not least, I've included my favorite matcha cookies so the recipient has something to munch on as they contemplate what to make with all the ingredients. The box will also include a recipe booklet with some of my favorite ways to use these foods. And if your budget doesn't have boundaries, I think you'll dig the next 3 ideas. This Santoku knife comes in at around $115, and it has a VG10 stainless steel core with a stunning hammered Damascus steel pattern on the blade. And would you have a look at that blue wooden handle? Its half-tang design makes it relatively affordable, and it's super lightweight, which is great if you're doing a lot of chopping. Oh, and I think you get the idea, but this thing is insanely sharp, which makes it super easy to get paper-thin slices. We're well into the hot pot season here in Japan, and I've been obsessed with this handcrafted Kanyu Banko Donabe from Musubi Kiln. It's surprisingly light, and its clay construction makes it retain heat for an insanely long time. I like using it to make various nabe dishes like this shabu shabu, and because of its sloped sides, you can make a small nabe for 2, or you could fill it up to feed 3 to 4 people. Finally, if you want to give a gift that drops a regular surprise throughout the year, consider gifting a subscription to the monthly Nourishing Essentials package from Kokoro Care Packages. This was the November box, but there's a different theme every month, and they come with a booklet with an explanation about each item along with recipes for how to cook them. So what'd you think? I hope you're able to check off a few names from your list. I'll include links to all of these items in the video description down below, so go check them out. And oh, be sure to use coupon code NORECIPES at any of these stores to get anywhere from 5 to 10% off your order. That's it for this week, but I'm back next Sunday with an all-new recipe, so I'll catch you in the next one.